Hello, Ethel. Welcome to my casita. Hello, wrong house. Joking. Welcome to my casa. Exactly, mommy. Welcome to my house. You're the first one here. Your mama. Let me give you guys a tour. I'm so excited. How am I start crying? Okay, this is the little hallway when you come in. Then I'm gonna take you here to, this is, what is this? Oh, the bathroom. Exactly. This is the first bathroom. You know that I didn't even come to this bathroom? Right here we have the bathroom where the situation happens. Like, let it out. Exactly. Toilet is dirty, so we're gonna go ahead and cover that. They haven't cleaned the house, so I'm here early. She's okay. Go, 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 go. Then we have the shower. You know that I didn't even see this?
Oh, it's cute.
So this will be my mom's bathroom. Yeah, this will be her.
Is there something behind you?
No.
Oh, okay.
This is cute for her.
Mm-hmm.
This is the first bathroom. I kind of have a feeling I won't be down here because it's more like my mom area. And then this right here is my mom's bedroom. I don't know what to say. It's her bedroom. That was my dream. I'm not gonna lie, my dream was to get a house that I could have a space for her. Like that was my dream. And I didn't move before because if I wasn't getting that. Exactly, I'm proud, I'm proud. We have a little closet for her. Let's go. So here we go to the main house, main house, main house. This is gonna be a workout. Hopefully my butt is weird here, but I doubt it. Woo, hold on. This is one of my favorite parts. I think I'm gonna say that 1,000 times in these videos, but this right here, when I walk in here, I say it's mine. Welcome to my living room and kitchen, baby. What? Okay, this is the part when I see it, I was like, this is it. And I didn't even check the bathrooms, but nothing. This is what I wanted. The kitchen. I have never had this kitchen this big. I'm gonna show you guys my dishes that I've been cooking, the ones that you guys have been asking for, all of those.
Who said that? Who said that? Who has been saying that? Who said that? Who said that?
Yeah. Never had a fridge like this. I never had nothing like this, guys. So I'm like, all jokes aside, this is. Wait, the dish just open like.
Because it automatically closes.
Oh, okay. I have never had a fridge like this. This is huge. This is crazy. I love this. The lighting that comes in here when the lighting hits, beautiful. Look at this. What? I don't have no idea what I'm putting here, but something is going in here. Oh my god, it's so fancy. What?
Do your fancy trash can.
Now we have, oh, this is my guideline for my situation. Now we have a fancy trash can. I normally have, what I have? The little corner one. You should see her face. She's sober, she goes, my fancy. What does this mean? What is this?
Recycle, trash, recycle.
Oh, okay. The second bathroom. This is when people come visit me, watching movies, cooking, whatever. Another bathroom to handle the business. This is the, I don't know what you call this bathroom. The second bathroom is a house, basically. Exactly, mommy. No mirror. I didn't see that at the beginning, but I guess I put one here in this wall. And cute decoration. I'm not gonna show you what the toilet looks like inside because, you know, toilet and nothing back here. It's just the same situation. Go ahead, mommy. Open everything. Make sure everything is okay. Go ahead. Let's do the checkup that I didn't do it. Wow. Okay. And then here, that's, what else is in here? Oh, a closet, more space. I don't know what blankets and stuff will go here. All of that. Oh my gosh. This is just the second floor. How many floors is it? 4 floors. One will be sweating. Okay guys, now here, this is one of my favorites. One of her, I have too many favorites in this house. So I'm gonna take you to the master bedroom. Okay, I was still saying master. This is lumosito and all that. So. Here is finally I have a walk-in closet. This is my little walk-in closet. You guys should have seen my closet before. Listen, this is nice for me. Moving into the bathroom where the magic happens. This is my bathroom. Okay, there's a couple things here that I love. First, where the magic happens. I don't know how to use this because I'm not from here. Let's see if it's clean. Let's see how we came before they cleaned the house. So it's a little dirty, but it's okay. Nobody has lived here before. It's a bidet. I have never used this in my life, so I use this, but I'll figure out. This is to your booty, your anything. I'm excited about that to learn. My second thing favorite here, exactly. What? Lighting, skincare videos, the whole nine. So I've been wanting one of these mirrors for the longest time. So I love this. We have a his and hers, but in this section is hers and hers. Period. The shower. I love this thing. I just never had a shower like this, okay? And don't be getting my ashy feet, okay? Two things. This is too much, like, what is it called? Technology, too much stuff. Like, I'm not used to this. This is new. I love everything. Sit down when I'm tired. Brushing my hair and stuff here, all that. Look at your daughter at the back. Catch her, please. No, look at the camera. Exactly. Exactly. So this is just a whole vibe. Close my door, please. Don't bother me. Thanks. Bye. Next section will be, watch out, mommy. This right here is the laundry and, ¿cómo se llama? Washer room. I just ordered my washers and dryers. Let me tell you something. Expensive, okay? All right. Here is when another magic happens, when you guys get to see all the slow-mos. Welcome to my beauty room. This is the beauty room. Another bathroom. Hella space. I don't know how I'm gonna do this yet. I'm still trying to figure out, but I think bathrooms here, thing here, I don't know yet. We'll figure out when we get there. This right here is the other bathroom that I probably won't even use, but when my family comes, this bathroom for them to use, and I don't have to use mine. I don't want a man in the bathroom. Oh, this one don't turn on. No light there, it's okay. Now, this is the other closet. This is gonna be to put, I don't know, I feel like I have a lot of clothes and a lot of stuff, so I think half of my stuff will go here, and then I will do a building of my makeup. I'm still trying to figure out, but this is the other closet for more space, maybe makeup, clothes, purses, whatever happens. Well, this right here, also one of my favorites. I think I've said that in my video 20 times, 200 times. I love the lighting from the top. We're going to the top, baby. There's no way down. Top. Favorite of favorites of favorites. Oh my gosh. This is the rooftop. Okay, the next here is where I'm gonna have wanna have barbecues and stuff like that. I'm gonna have people come over and cook. Am I gonna have people over? I don't know. Yeah. Clean, Ray. Next, here, like a little table setup thing here. And then I don't know if I really want to create this area kind of like a movie thing. Like I could put a TV there and like the chairs or something. I saw stuff somewhere, but we will get here probably next year because the money that I'm dropping in this furniture down there is a lot. And I'm like, the top could wait, but the view. Welcome to the view. Next is gonna be next, like I'm doing a damn tutorial. Listen, the grill, I am scared to open that because I don't know what that looks like inside, so we're gonna get it here. I'm scared, bro. Oh, it's clean. Because nobody has lived here before. I'm the first person, so it should not be dirty. My grill that I don't know how to use, but I'll figure out. Cook that, and then this is for, what is this? I don't know. More cooking? Exactly. Oh, she goes, because she wants to eat. To wash my beauty blenders. I don't know, to wash your hands when you freaking cook with me, all that. Alright, so you guys were here. Now it's time to bye guys. Thank you for coming to my house. Alright, bye.